Hey everyone, so I'm actually refilming this intro because my dog was barking that whole time. Yay! But hi, I'm Rachel. Welcome to Pretty Us Up. I'm wanting to come on here, say hi, introduce myself because I have been saying for quite a while now that there are videos coming, that I'm launching a channel and nothing's happened, and I wanted to explain why. So I guess firstly I'll introduce myself. So again, hi, I'm Rachel. I am Australian. It's not a British accent. It does sound like one apparently, but yes, definitely Australian. I live in Sydney. I work in technology. I work from home and I have 2 dogs. I live with my boyfriend and I have been kind of into makeup for a really long time. It's just not something I've ever really pursued. I never really thought of it was something that I could do, and it's just something I've always observed and been interested in. I tweeted the other day, I've been using Benefit products for a really, really long time. I remember when they first came to Australia and the only product they had was, I think it's called a Whole Lotta Gorgeous or something. It's a foundation that's in the shape of a record player, and one of their most top selling products was a product called 10 that they actually don't sell anymore, and it was like contour before contour existed, and it was like a brown product with like a highlight above it in like one little square, so you just kind of went on and you were done. And I remember wearing that all the time and everyone would be like, oh my god, your cheeks are amazing, because nobody contoured then. So I've been around for a while, I just haven't necessarily been online talking about this stuff for a while. I, at the moment, can't really see. I wear glasses, so I'm gonna pop them on. Hey, I can see. I decided not to put them on straight away because the light reflects on them, which is not a great thing. So what am I about? Why am I here? So I think, firstly, do not expect any tea from this channel. Don't expect any shade. Don't expect any drama. This is about the love of products and what they can do for us. And it's about trying to find your holy grails and having products that you actually use. So not hauling, and look, there's nothing wrong with a haul. If you can see behind the camera, you'll see I have plenty. But I think we need to be confident in being okay with putting ourselves first. And what I mean by that is not getting your paycheck and going, oh my god, X brand is releasing a new thing. I won't pay this bill, I'll pay it late, I'll go and pay all this other stuff, I'll buy this first. Not important. Please put yourself first. You have a future to look forward to, and like makeup is not gonna be there for you when times are tough. I mean, it will be, but be smart about it, yeah? Buy things, use them, hit pan, get to the bottom, be creative with what you already own. And find things that you're gonna wanna use every day. Sure, be creative. As I say, use the products you already have, but be creative with them. Learn what different tools you can use and ways you can blend, and tricks and things that you can do to make one palette or one product that you have do different things. I know, for example, for me, I've got some concealers and things that I know I can use as an eye base. I know I can use them as a crease cutter. I can use them as like a skin glow kind of thing. And so if I want to have kind of like a lighter day, I can just use that. So find those products that you really, really love and use. And what I want us to do is share with each other what we use, how we use them, and the things that we think are our holy grails. So what's the powder that you use? Why is it so good? What kind of skin do you have, and how do you keep things on? You know, I live in Australia, it's been really hot. It is so hard to keep this on when it is humid and it's muggy and you're sweating like crazy. Like, what do you do to keep it on in those situations? But I'm really excited to meet everyone, to be more of a part of the community, and to be here as a face and a voice, not just a keyboard warrior, and to get to know everybody and to share my journey and to be part of yours. And I'm really excited to see what we can do together. There is a logo coming up, there is an intro coming. I did say to you guys I'd explain to you why there's been a delay. So sadly, I had 2 or 3 graphic designers that were working with me. All 3 of them decided to take my money and run. So I am currently trying to find someone I can actually trust who doesn't want to charge a fortune to do that for me. So I'm waiting, but it should be soon. So for now, hi, I am here. This is coming, and it's totally a thing that I'm passionate about. And as I say, there's some series ideas and things that I have, and there's a whole plan that I've got in the works, but we're just going to be a little bit more patient to get it all rolling properly. But for now, hi, welcome to Pretty Us Up, and be a makeup mate, subscribe, press the little notification button, and follow me on socials. I'm on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube obviously, and Facebook, all as Pretty Us Up. And be great to hear from you. And yeah, look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.